Welcome to your step-by-step visual companion for the installation of your Ring device. Phase 1 is power and pairing. First, connect the battery to USB power and wait for the single LED light, indicating a full charge. Insert the battery until you hear a click. Complete the app setup before installation, even if hardwiring. Phase 2 is optimizing the viewpoint. The golden rule is to install the device 4 feet off the ground. If wires are higher than 4 feet, use the wedge mount to angle the camera down. Phase 3 begins with safety and removal. Critically, shut off power at the breaker before proceeding. Remove the existing button and disconnect the old wires. Next is precision and drilling. Insert the mini level and mark the location when the bubble is centered. Drill holes and insert anchors for stucco, brick, or concrete. Screw directly into wood or siding without anchors. Phase 4 is the hardwire connection. Loosen the terminal screws and slide the wires underneath. The wire order does not matter. Tighten the screws and tug to test for firmness. If wires are too short, use extensions and twist wire nuts clockwise. Phase 5 is securing the device. Feed any excess wires back into the wall cavity. Secure the doorbell with the provided screws. Remember to remove the mini-level tool before the final steps. Phase 6 covers final assembly and activation. Snap the faceplate onto the device from top to bottom. Use the star-shaped bit for the security screw at the bottom. Finally, turn the breaker on. Your installation is now complete. Return to the Ring app to view your live feed and ensure your home is secure.